At your little age, and you doing something major in your life, don't ever question yourself if you're doing good or bad. When you don't see no results yet, bro, don't question it. At your little age, bro, do not ask yourself and second guess yourself, whether if you're doing good or not in life when you don't see no results. Yeah, and everybody else is having fun. You see everybody else having fun in the world, and you working on something that's major in your life that can take you away to freedom, that can set you free for everybody else. Don't ever question yourself if you're doing good or bad. At your little age. An average person, the same age as you, not even doing the same thing that you doing. They're not doing the same thing that you doing. You working on something major at your little age. Your little age, bro. The same person that's the same age as you got a different mindset versus yours, bro. And a different plan in life versus yours. They just want to live average. You don't want to live average. That's not your mindset. You're doing good, bro. You don't need to pop yet, bro. Keep working. That's all you have to do. Keep working, keep working, keep working. Your time for you to pop is only around what God lets you know, bro. Stay around. Have persistence, bro, and resilience. Know your process and follow it. Do not follow your feelings. Stay around. Don't second guess if you're doing good or bad, bro. At your little age, when you're doing something major in your life that can set you free forever to the day that you die, do not second guess, bro. Where if you're doing good or not at your little age, building something big that can take over the whole world, bro. Do not question it. Do not second guess it. Because the same person that's at the same age as you got a different mindset versus yours. And their mindset is totally average versus yours, bro. Do not second guess if you're doing good or bad, bro. Let's see if you came from the rich or the poor. Especially the poor. Do not second guess it. If you're a little person trying to do something major in your life and you don't see no results yet. Another person that's the same age as you got average mindset versus yours. Okay? Do not second guess it, whether if you're doing good or not. Whether if you see results right now or not. It don't matter. Just stay around, okay? That's what I'm asking you. Can you stay around? Ask yourself, can you stay around and have persistence and resilience, bro, and consistency, and have a plan and a direction, and know the process behind it, and follow it, and not stick to your feelings? Do not second guess if you're doing good or bad at your age when you know you build on a foundation that's bigger than you, and you're doing good, bro. You're doing good. You're doing good in my eyes, bro. Whether if you pop it or not, your big day will come. When God tells you, bro. And when he tells you, it's going to show up in front of you. In reality. Don't second guess it. All right, man.